Road to Olympiad.
Welcome to RTO. Consider the following problem. Starting with n is equal to 2, two players A and B move alternately by adding a proper divisor, which is a divisor of a number which is smaller than itself, of n to the current n. Player who reaches 2024 or more first wins the game. Who has a winning strategy? For instance, A can add 1 and make the new n become 3. B will then add another 1 to make the new n become 4. Here, A can choose to add 1 or 2, and they will play the games until someone reaches 2024 or more. The point here is, who can have a bigger control of the game to force a victory? Pause the video if you like to give this problem a try, and when you are ready, keep watching to learn how to solve it. To solve this problem, like what we mentioned just now, A can only start by adding 1 to make the new number become 3. And B can next add only 1s to make the new number n become 4. In fact, A can always choose an odd divisor to make the new n an odd number. We can ensure this to always happens because when B get an odd number, all the divisors he can choose are only odd divisors, making the new number n an even number. And upon getting an even number, A can always have a minimum choice of 1 to make the new n an odd number again, which forces B to return him another even number by adding an odd divisor. Now, notice that when n is odd, B can at most add 1/3 of n, making the new number 4 out of 3n. This is because the smallest divisor, other than 1, of an odd number is 3. Thus, the greatest divisor other than the number itself will be just 1/3 of the number. Whereas for A, when n is even, he can add at most half of n to make the new number at most 3 out of 2n. This is to say that A can simply play the game by not making the number 1518 or more, and he only needs to wait until B returns the number 1350 or more. By then, he only needs to add half of the number to obtain a number more than 2025. This is achievable as in the worst case, when both of them keep adding 1 to the numbers, B will always the one who make the number 1350 first. Therefore, A has a winning strategy. And this marks the end of our solutions. Post in the comment below if you have any thoughts on the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. This will really help us out. Anyway, see you in the next video. Thank you.